Hi guys, so in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to make mango sorbet, so stay tuned. Okay, so start by peeling your mangoes and then dicing them into small to medium-sized chunks. And then what you want to do is pop it into a container, preferably glass, and freeze it for 48 hours. Once frozen, transfer the mangoes into a food processor. Okay, so now what you want to do is get 2 limes, pierce them and squeeze the juice into the food processor. To ensure I can shorten the length of the video, I'm just going to skip through most of the blending. So as you can see, the mango sorbet is now ready. You might find a mixture a little bit too smooth, but in that case, all you literally have to do is pour the contents back into the container and freeze for an hour or two, and you should get the desired texture that you're looking for. So I must say this mango sorbet turned out really, really nice. Better than I expected, to be honest. And using limes instead of lemons, which most people do use, actually tastes really good. And as you know, limes are actually more healthy than lemons. So an extra added bonus. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, why not give it a share? Take care. God bless. Bye.